How to find the best keywords for your Google Ads campaigns. Learn digital marketing with Digital Pawan. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most important aspects of running a successful Google Ads campaign, keyword research. If you're not targeting the right keywords, you're going to be wasting a lot of money on clicks that don't convert into customers. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through my process for finding profitable keywords for your campaigns. When it comes to running a profitable Google Ads campaign, keyword research is king. You can have the best ad copy and the most compelling offer, but if you're targeting the wrong keywords, you're not going to see the results you're looking for. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do keyword research the right way, so you can find the keywords that are going to drive targeted traffic to your website and help you turn clicks into customers. Now, before we dive into my process for finding profitable keywords, let's talk about what keyword research actually is. At its core, keyword research is all about discovering the words and phrases that people are typing into Google when they're looking for something that's related to your business. By understanding these keywords, you can create ads that are tailored to those searches and appear at the top of the search results when people are looking for your products or services. So, now that we know what we're looking for, it's time to dive into the first step of my process, using the Google Keyword Planner. This is a free tool that's built into the Google Ads platform, and it's one of the most powerful tools for doing keyword research. With the Keyword Planner, you can see how many searches different keywords get each month, how competitive they are, and even get suggestions for related keywords that you may not have thought of. Now, once you've gathered a list of potential keywords using the Keyword Planner, it's time to start narrowing down your list to the most profitable ones. And one of the best ways to do this is by focusing on long-tail keywords. These are keywords that are more specific and targeted, but also tend to have lower competition. And since they're more specific, they also tend to have higher conversion rates since the people searching for them are usually further along in the buying cycle. Another important step in keyword research is analyzing what your competitors are doing. By looking at the keywords they're targeting and the ads they're running, you can get a better understanding of what's working in your industry and how you can differentiate yourself from the competition. One tool that I like to use for this is SEMrush. It's a paid tool, but it's worth the investment if you're serious about running profitable Google Ads campaigns. So, at this point, you should have a list of potential keywords that you want to target. Now, it's time to start refining that list to the most profitable keywords for your business. One way to do this is by looking at the search volume and competition for each keyword. Ideally, you want to target keywords with high search volume and low competition, but this can vary depending on your industry and the goals of your campaign. And there you have it, my complete process for finding profitable keywords for your Google Ads campaigns. By using the Google Keyword Planner, focusing on long-tail keywords, analyzing your competitors, and refining your list, you can create campaigns that are targeted, relevant, and profitable. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. For more videos, subscribe to my channel.